Hey guys, today we are going to add this type of pricing section in our store. This is such a clean and professional section because it presents your plans in a way that makes it super easy for customers to compare and choose, which builds trust and pushes them to make a decision faster. So without wasting any time, let's see how to add this section. Go to your store admin, click on apps and search for section kit. Then hit enter. This will take you straight to the Shopify app store. Open the app and Rails. The installation is really simple. I've already installed it, so we'll open it and go to explore sections, then search for pricing. Here you'll find just one section by this name. Just click on more info and purchase it. I've already purchased this section, so I'll go to my sections and click on customize, then select my theme. Now let's go to add section, search for pricing, and select the section. And now this section has been added to our theme. Let's scroll down and see what we can customize here. Honestly, seeing this myself, I was surprised that we can literally customize everything in this section. Let's start with the heading. I'll replace it with you because I don't really like how it currently looks. Now let's move on to these cards. I'll change their background color just by clicking on it and selecting my favorite color. And you can customize so much more here too, like the badge color, font style, font size, padding, or literally anything else you want. So as you can see, customizing your store to look exactly the way you want is now just one click away. I really hope this app makes your e-commerce journey a lot easier. If you want to see something else about this app on this channel, or if you're facing any problem related to it, just drop a comment below and I'll make sure to help you out.